We'll start with the next sum, 7th sum, trial balance. They are telling you to prepare the trial balance of Bhaskar, and we have a balance that should be written as a suspense account. So here the opening stock will come in the debit side, capital credit side, sales credit side, salary expense debit side, bills payable credit side, telephone charges debit side, creditors will come in the credit side, purchase will come in the debit side, debitors will come in the debit side, carriage inwards and outwards and debit side தான் வரும், bills receivable debit side, commission received credit side, it is the income, so it will come in the credit side, cash at bank is a asset, it will come in the debit side, furniture is asset debit side, plant and machinery is a fixed asset debit side, repairs it's a expense, it will come in the debit side. So using this one we will prepare the trial balance. Okay, we'll continue with the number 1 with this serial number, particular debit credit. Number 1 we'll start with the here opening stock. Amount is for in the debit, it will come in the debit side, so we'll write in the debit column. Next is the second is the capital will come in the credit side, go and write in the credit side as a 90,000. Next third one is the sales is a credit side, we'll go and write in the 1,77,200 it will come. Next fourth one is the salary is the expense, it will come in the debit side as a 12,000. Next number 5 is a bills payable, it will come in the credit side as a 9,450. Next sixth one telephone charge, that is a expense, that will come in the debit side, it will come as a 2,350. Next one the seventh one creditors will come in the credit side as a 16,000. Next 8th one is a purchase is a debit, it's a expense, it will come in the debit side as a 85,000. Next 9th one debitors will come in the debit side only, 25,000. Next number 10 is a carriage inwards, that will come in the debit side as a carriage inwards is a 16,500. Next number 11 is a bills receivable, the amount is a 20, it is coming as bills receivable will come as a 20,000. Next number 12 is a commission received, it will come in the credit side as a 5,550, sorry 5,550 it is. So next 13th one cash at bank, it will come in the debit side 17,000. Next number 14 furniture, it's a fixed asset, it will come in the debit side as a 19,000. Next 15th one plant and machinery, it's a fixed asset, it will come as a debit side as a 55,800. Next 16th one repairs, IRS repairs, that is the expense, it will come in the debit side 550. So if we total both the sides, this side total will come as a 2,98,200 will come. If we total this side, it will come as a 2,93,200. So this is a bigger amount, so we have to minus 2,98,200 la in the debit side total idu illaya, in the total minus panna 2,93,200 minus panna, how much will come? 5,000 will come. So this 5,000 எந்த பக்கம் less amount அந்த side போய் எழுதணும், 5,000 எழுதணும். இப்போ இந்த தான big amount, both the side will write 2,98,000. இப்போ இங்க இந்த balancing figure இங்க எழுதனால இதுக்கு straight what we have to write as a suspense account னு எழுதணும். So இப்போ இது இருக்குல இங்க total இது ஃபுல்லா க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். Okay, close, we'll write it as a total. That's all.